Actually, national team, ang tingin ko is no-win situation ka dyan eh. No? The pressure is always there. No? But at the same time, it's very fulfilling and satisfying kasi you're serving your country.
Correct.
No?
Yes.
So the pressure is always there. You will always be bashed. You cannot lose. No, if you lose, ano ka talaga, mababash ka talaga. No, especially kung ang tatalo sa iyo is yung mga alam natin na Korea or Japan, no, or sometimes you can get upset. You will get bashed. But that's all part of it eh. Pagka
Yes.
tinanggap mo yan, alam ni Coach Tim yan, pagka if you accept that job, kailangan
Thick skin ka o hindi
thick
ka onion
skin ka,
skin.
makapal mukha mo, makapal balat mo. Kailangan ganyan ka dyan pag tinanggap mo yan.